白金卡會員專享20週年創作分享。現在請歡迎你今日嘅主持人，香港迪士尼樂園度假區親善大使佩子善 Giselle 同埋謝成恩 Bien。Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Magic Access Platinum Member Privilege 20th Anniversary Creative Reveal. Now, please welcome your hosts, Hong Kong Disneyland Resort Ambassadors, Giselle Abejero and Bien Tsay.
Hello， 歡迎大家參與20週年派對預覽分享會啊！大家好 ，We're all excited to see you all here today, our Magic Access members。係啊 ，Giselle， 因為今次係我哋第一次主持奇妙處處通嘅專享活動，所以我哋想藉住今次呢一個機會，多謝大家咁多年嚟都陪住香港迪士尼成長，同我哋一齊見證住度假區唔同嘅里程碑，所以我哋真係好多謝大家㗎。
I believe our Magic Access members have lots of happy memories with Hong Kong Disneyland over the past 20 years. For me, Hong Kong Disneyland is really my second home. And I started as a performer back in 2006 with the Golden Mickeys, then later moved into the Festival of the Lion King show before becoming an ambassador last year. And Bien, you also grew up here in Hong Kong Disneyland, but in a different way, right?
係啊，其實喺我2019年成為演藝人員之前，我都同在座咁多位一樣，我都係一個奇妙處處通嘅會員，所以我差唔多每個禮拜我都會入嚟樂園玩㗎，所以其實香港迪士尼真係陪住我長大㗎。
Today's Magic Access Platinum Member Privilege 20th Anniversary Creative Reveal is a milestone of our 20th anniversary. And it is specially organized just for you, our Magic Access members. So, we will soon share some first-hand news and offerings. Are you ready?
睇嚟大家都好期待喎，我哋一陣就會有好多資訊分享俾大家聽㗎啦。事不宜遲，我哋有請嚟自娛樂事務部嘅 Zoe。
Hello Giselle， 嗱，等我一上到台咧就考下大家先。你哋知唔知道20週年嘅主題係乜嘢咧？
不如我哋一齊講出嚟啦，就係奇妙派對，快樂盛放。
Yes, the most magical party of all。
冇錯啊！嗱，我見到你哋着住咁靚嘅新衫，就知道你哋準備好參加 party 咯喎。而我哋嘅20週年慶典咧，絕對係一場前所未有，由日頭玩到夜晚嘅奇妙派對啊！每一個地方咧都充滿住 party vibes， 無論係喺樂園嘅入口定以至到去每一個園區啦，都會充滿住 party 嘅元素喎。而首先為呢個奇妙派對暖場嘅，將會係我哋全新20週年城堡限定演出。迪士尼好友 Live 城堡派對 Disney Friends Live Party at the Castle， 就睇嚟大家都好想知多啲啊！呢個咧係一個長約15分鐘嘅 concert style 表演，而入邊咧將會有充滿活力嘅流行音樂同埋舞蹈元素。仲有配合全新嘅煙霧同埋煙火特效，當然唔少得仲有我哋嘅迪士尼朋友同大家一齊互動啦，帶領大家一齊融入呢個嘅派對氛圍，成場演出咧包你哋有驚喜㗎！
哇！我淨係聽到已經覺得好期待啦！我好想知道有邊一位嘅迪士尼朋友係會一齊參與嘅咧？
當然就好似呢幅圖咁啦，有米奇同佢班好朋友，仲有 Duffy 與好友，同埋迪士尼公主添。而佢哋仲會着上從未亮相過嘅派對禮服，同大家見面㗎喎。
Wow, I'm so curious about their never-before-seen party attire. So, Zoe, you mentioned about pop music. Do we have any 20th anniversary theme song?
當然有啦，而家在座嘅咁多位咧，就可以喺呢一個分享會度咧聽到我哋嘅20週年嘅全新主題曲《The Most Magical Party of All》，連同另外2首嘅原創歌曲咧，將會喺我哋嘅城堡舞台由 Vocalist 現場唱出嘅。不過，既然今日係我哋嘅奇妙串串通會員悉心安排嘅專享活動，不如我哋而家就帶俾我哋今日第一個項目，大家可以率先欣賞到20週年限定城堡演出嘅部分派對服飾。迪士尼好友巡遊派對 Fantastic， 呢個將會係我哋樂園有史以嚟最大型嘅巡遊，一共有多達100位演藝人員參與表演，當中仲會包括超過30位迪士尼朋友添。而11架分別以唔同迪士尼故事為主題嘅全新花車咧，都會喺呢個演出入邊出現㗎。首先打頭陣嘅就係會有我哋嘅米奇與好友。緊接落嚟就會有優獸大都會，好靚啊！嗬，之後係大英雄聯盟、反斗奇兵、怪獸公司、紅袍青春記，仲有玩轉老朋友、衝天救兵，當然唔少得奇幻魔法屋，仲有 Duffy 與好友。大家都好中意Duffy與好友，好大反應，同埋最後迪士尼公主，見到都已經覺得好興奮啦，係咪呢？而我哋當中有唔少嘅迪士尼朋友呢，仲會係首次、第一次喺香港迪士尼樂園出現添㗎。而無論係我哋嘅演藝人員定係迪士尼朋友，佢哋都會換上全新特別設計嘅服裝出嚟同大家一齊狂歡啊！就以奇幻魔法屋花車為例，大家就會見到 Dancers 着住哥倫比亞風格嘅服裝，係將故事入邊嘅傳統元素同埋文化完美咁融入喺設計同埋喺顏色入邊㗎。而喺整個巡遊入邊呢，音樂當然係另一個不可或缺嘅元素啦。我哋嘅團隊就為呢個表演創作咗4首原創歌曲。仲有一點就係迪士尼好友巡遊派對另一個最好玩、最有趣嘅地方呢，就係有一個可以同大家一齊互動嘅 moment 啊！你哋都可以同你身邊嘅朋友一齊做喎。而家就等我同大家一齊試下咯喎，好似我咁樣做。I got you。部分朋友已經跟到啦，仲有其他朋友咧，可能要多啲時間。我哋再嚟一次啊 ！I got you， 冇錯，好多人都學識咯喎。跟住咧，邀請你身邊嘅朋友同你一齊做呢個互動咯喎。首先 I 係 high five， 隔離嘅朋友 high five 係啦，跟住加擺喺心口前面。 指向地方，做得非常之好啊！大家之後睇到巡遊咧就可以一齊玩啦。而家我哋跟住節奏試一次咯喎，預備。I got you， 冇錯啦！大家都學識嘅話，咁我哋就請埋我哋嘅 dancers 一齊 start the party。
Everything is better when I'm with you. Don't know how we found each other, but I'm glad we did. 用豐富祝福幾多歲，縱使許多波折，亦能如常撐過去。And I know, don't you forget, no matter how good or bad it gets, best friends means to the end. I got you. You always got my back whenever I'm sad. Yeah, I got you. 就我們的星地，伴着我跳起。Yeah, I got you. It's us, it's trust, it's never giving up no matter what. Yeah, I got you. 漆黑變做燦爛，伴着你從驚嚇。I got you.
Zoe, you sneak peeked a lot about the daytime party. So how about nighttime? What will happen at night?
講到香港迪士尼嘅夜晚，又點少得夜間城堡匯演、迪士尼星夢光影之旅呢？我聽講會有昇華版喎，你可唔可以分享多啲俾大家聽呢？
當然好啦！嗱，到咗夜晚咧，就要為大家嘅完美奇妙之旅畫上一個好好嘅句號啊！咁就唔少得我哋嘅20週年限定版迪士尼星夢光影之旅星空派對 Momentous Party in the Night Sky 呢一場昇華版嘅夜間城堡匯演咧，全場大約30分鐘。米奇咧會邀請咗好多佢好熟悉嘅迪士尼朋友一齊加入啊！呢個係一個全新嘅序幕，會令到呢場派對咧更加好玩喎。而成個匯演咧會用上8種多媒體特效，包括立體光雕投影同埋全新無人機嘅表演，相信會令成個派對嘅氣氛咧推到最高啊！而其中一個最特別嘅，我哋將會第一次將沉浸式嘅投影延伸到去成條美國小鎮大街，大家咧就可以喺大街嘅建築物外牆咧見到你最喜愛嘅迪士尼朋友添嘅喎。
Oh, I just got excited seeing the sneak peek of the brand new Fantastic Parade and momentous party in the night sky.
我都好期待，遲啲可以親身睇到全新嘅迪士尼好友巡遊派對，同埋迪士尼星夢光影之類嘅星空派對啊！
Let's keep the party going!
Yay!
Thank you, Zoe. And now, let's hear for the very first time our brand new 20th anniversary theme song, The Most Magical Party of All, presented by our vocalists.
Isn't it crazy how far we made it? Feels like we started only yesterday.
20 and growing, we keep it glowing. Here's to the future and the memories made.
Bring the beat, we gon' turn up the volume. Energy is electrified. You and me got our whole world singing our tune. Dancing all day to the night. Alright.
So are you ready? Cue the confetti. And sing it with me.
'Cause it's time to celebrate.
Tell everybody, big or small,
It's the most magical party of all.
sophisticated and elevated.
Let's get the fireworks light up the sky.
Shooting stars through the night, 'cause we got the vibe coming in hot.
This whole round's like non-stop, but I got a feeling it won't stop.
So don't stop.
Bring the beat, we gon' turn up the volume. Energy is
Energy is electrified.
you and me got our whole world singing our tune. Dancing all day into the night. So are you ready? Cause it's time to celebrate. Tell everybody. Welcome to the party. One of the girls. Yeah, sing it with me. The most magical party of all. To party. Come to the party. Tell everybody. It's the most magical party of all.
喺呢個咁開心嘅時刻，不如我哋一齊影翻張大合照。我哋一齊企起身望住台上嘅攝影師，我哋一齊影翻張靚相啦！
members. Also, thank you to our Magic Access members for joining us today. Remember, you're all invited, and we'll see you real soon at the most magical party of all, kicking off on June 28th.
大家今日慶祝嘅活動，20周年紀念晚會喺6月28號開始，我哋到時見。
Wishing you all a magical day here in Hong Kong Disneyland. Bye.
多謝各位嚟臨參與奇妙處處通白金卡會員專享20週年創作分享，我哋期待同大家一齊喺呢個奇妙派對，讓快樂盛放，約定你啦！Thank you everyone for joining us here at the Magic Access Platinum Member Privilege 20th Anniversary Creative Reveal. We look forward to seeing you all at the most magical party of all. You're all invited.